Find the exact value of cotangent pi. What's cotangent? Oh, cotangent is the same as 1 over tangent, but it's also the same as cosine over sine. So cotangent pi is the same thing as cosine pi over sine pi. Now, cosine pi happens to be the x value. Now, let's just quick draw the unit circle so we remind what we're doing. Okay, here's a circle. Pi is all the way over here. We have a dot. That dot is -1, 0. So cosine pi is the x value associated with that, so that's -1. And sine pi is the y value associated with that, so that's 0. And last time I checked, -1 over 0, that's undefined, baby. Answer is D.